Have you ever tried cow head meat? In South Africa, it's called Inhloko, and it's more than just food. Inhloko is a Zulu delicacy where the cow's head is slow cooked or fire roasted until tender. The cheeks, tongue, and brain are the tastiest parts. Traditionally, it's shared at gatherings, symbolizing respect for the cow and togetherness amongst people. Today, Inhloko has moved from villages to the street food stalls and even restaurants, but it still carries the same spirit of community. Would you like to try it? Comment below and don't forget to like and subscribe for more Zulu food stories.